Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is sneakerchart.com. If you are curious to know about this website, like people of United States and United Kingdom are very curious nowadays to know about the legitimacy of this website. So watch the video till the end. We are going to share the review regarding this website. So let's check out the details of this website. It's actually an online store for footwear. Like they are dealing with different kind of footwear in discounted price. It was registered on 4th June 2021. For just 1 year, like its expiry date is 4 June 2022. They have mentioned their email address on their website, that is matching the domain name, which is a good sign. But they have mentioned no physical address and no social media presence is available for this website. Moreover, they have mentioned their contact number, and the refund and replacement policy is within 3 days. And the payment method they have mentioned is bank to bank, wire transfer, credit cards, Western Union and MoneyGram. So the positive point of shopping from this store is that it is HTTPS secured connection. There are wide range of sizes, deals and discounts. Order tracking is available via email. The negative point of this website is that the social media accounts have broken links. Like we have no access with social media, or we can say that no social media presence is available from sneakerchart.com. Short period of avail return and refund policy, and missing reviews on the internet. So the question is sneakerchart legit? Let's to check the legitimacy, let's check out some other details, like the information which is missing about the owners and the physical address. It was registered on 4 June 2022 for 1 year. The owner name is not mentioned. Social media accounts are not available. Content is plagiarized. Trust score is 0.8, and it is too new to be popular among the people. Payment methods are credit card, Western Union and MoneyGram, and no reviews are available. No doubt it is fine to be little fascinated with shoes because they reflect your personality, but before going any shopping decision, as we have discussed different points for the legitimacy of this store, we can say that no doubt it is trendy and eye-catching colors, and you find all kind of sneakers from popular brands here. But we found it suspicious, as good shoes can make you to good place, but about a bad purchase? Well, a bad purchase can empty your pocket in no time. So we are just suggesting you it's better not to buy from this store and save your money. Make a wise decision. Stay happy and enjoy your shopping fever.